Governor Gavin Newsom says California will be using a dimmer switch to modify its reopening plans. During a noon press conference, Newsom announced that effective immediately and across the entire state, all indoor operations must stop at restaurants, wineries, movie theaters, zoos, museums, and a few other locations. The governor also said that bars must close all operations. In San Diego and the 29 other counties on the state's COVID-19 watch list, the restrictions will go even further. Gyms, places of worship, hair salons, barbershops, and malls must close their indoor operations by Wednesday morning. He said that the state's reopening plans were never meant to go in one direction, towards opening or closing businesses, but rather fluctuate depending on the course of the pandemic.
Not on, open economy, or off, shut down, but a dimmer switch, looking at conditions throughout the nation's most populous state as they present themselves, as those trend lines become points of concern before they invariably become headlines.
Newsom gave no end date for the restrictions. In San Diego County, a shortage of test kits has led to long wait times for those who believe they've been exposed to COVID-19. On Monday, county officials announced that tests provided by the county would now be prioritized for healthcare workers, first responders, and essential workers, in addition to older adults and people living in nursing homes or long-term care facilities. Supervisor Nathan Fletcher said that San Diego's testing shortage is being caused by a breakdown in the global supply chain.
So in addition to reimposing some restrictions to try and slow the spread of COVID, we are also confronting the realities of challenges in our testing system based on both the increase in positive cases and global supply chain shortages that are impacting many jurisdictions throughout, that cause us to refocus our prioritization on testing moving forward.
The county announced 419 positive tests and a 6% positive rate. There are currently 467 people across the county hospitalized from COVID-19, with 159 people in the ICU. The county also announced a new partnership with the local genomics company Helix to boost testing. Officials said because of this partnership, it won't have to close testing sites due to a lack of supplies, but they still expect the number of tests to dip in the coming days. Max Rivlin-Nader, KPBS News.